YouTube, what's good? This your boy Miami T, man. I am up here at Complete Classic Auto Restoration. So as I told y'all, man, I had to jump ship, and I just got in. I was talking with the owner of this establishment, and I decided to just drop it off at an auto restoration, man, and because I got so much work that has to be done as far as wiring and all that kind of stuff. So I got my LS motor and everything. I had the wrong harness or whatever, but everything basically will probably be done right here. My wiring, paint job, body work, everything. I'm just gonna show y'all a little bit what's going on. They got Mustang, Cutlass, Donks, old school trucks. A lot of classics. A lot of pretty toys. A lot of pretty toys. Jeeps. Monte Carlos. Cutlass. Look like they got something over in the booth now. Oh yeah, I hear the paint going on. It's another Donk. So like I said, man, this is gonna be a short video, man. My battery is dead. I don't even know how I'm filming right about now. So as you can see, man, they got a lot of pretty toys. Got the purple Donk over there. So I felt like at this time, man, a lot of other shops, you know, just couldn't handle the project that was coming up. So shout out to Shimbries over in Sefner. Those guys do a real good job as far as, you know, motor work and everything. I'm gonna forever go to them. They do good price, good work. So this would probably be the new home for Miami T as far as getting custom work. Cause like I said, man, there's a lot to be done here. Everything is pretty much one-stop shop. A lot of old schools. So I think this is like a Cougar. You got the old Mustang. Got the 75 Donk. I don't know if they bringing this back or if they using this for parts or whatever, but you see what it is. Man, it's a lot of work. A lot of work. That's an expensive project right there. I don't know who got this project going. That's pretty expensive right there. Got the Oldsmobile. That's nice. Cadillac. Guys coming out with something now. So like I said, man, These guys will be putting hands on Big Sexy, man. Some kind of old Dodge. So, like I said, man, we're gonna touch bases in a few days, man. I'm gonna make an appointment to go ahead and drop Big Sexy off. I don't know, man. I should have had somebody follow me over here so I could have dropped it off today, but you know, I wanted them to see the whole nine, man. You know, the whole shebang. So this car do run, or does run. I just, you know, it's, like I said, I got the what do you call that thing, the digital dash and whatever. That's all that's gonna be last. Like I said, want to get up under the hood, want to get all the electrical done, and then we just basically go from there. So you see what it says, see what it is. Drop down in the comment section, man. Let me know your thoughts or whatever. Reach out to me, like, share, subscribe. Subscribe, watch the video, drop your comments. This your boy Miami T, and I am out.